Hi, my name is Christian and this is Junior, an AI-first development environment where you mostly read or review code but rarely write it. In fact, I never ever write a single line of code in Junior. Let's see how it's done. So I want to implement a new feature, namely that this subtitle here should be randomized. So we need to generate new subtitles and factor this feature out from the navbar, randomize it, use it, and I also have found an unused import, so we need to remove it. I described everything in this YAML file. I generate the prompt and copy it to ChatGPT. We need GPT-4 for this to work, so this is the prompt. You can see the file. README is only here to generate the new text. So here are the requirements, some other thing, and everything is wrapped in a shell script. So it starts with the plan. We remove the import, create a new component, random reselect one text and use it in navbar. It looks great. It also looks great. So here is the new component, imported and used the right place. Here are the new tags. Great. Everything looks okay. So I copy it here and paste it there. It is executed now, and so let's test it. Seems to work. Okay, great. So we can commit it. This will be the commit message. If I am fine with it, then I just commit it. So that's it. We can go to the next issue. This is the way I am developing Junior, and you can use the same for your own projects. You can install it from npm and start using it. So thanks for watching.